Hi everybody! Welcome to class! We're going to be learning some exciting lessons today.
Yay!
And the lessons for today are going to be on vocab words.
Ooh.
The selected words are keratinization and cornification. Are you guys ready to learn them? Great! So before you get started, you might think of a carrot or maybe corn when you hear these words. But these are really wrong, so don't think about them. Ever. Instead, we're going to focus on this guy. His name is Josh, but we're just going to focus on him as a body, and specifically this part. Or we might know it as the skin. Now what you may or may not know is that the skin is composed of 3 different layers. The top layer is going to be called the epidermis. The middle layer is going to be known as the dermis, and the last layer is going to be known as the hypodermis. But keratinization and cornification only focus on the epidermis, which is composed of 5 layers in itself. Now these 5 layers going from bottom to top are stratum basale, stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum, stratum lucidum, and stratum corneum. Now it is this last layer, stratum corneum, that contains the products of keratinization and cornification, which are dry, hardened, and flattened cells. These are dead cells. However, the only remaining material is keratin. Now keratin is responsible for making these cells very tough and rigid, offering the skin protection and the rest of the body. It also makes it resistant to drying out, facilitating the activities that occur underneath. So the process of keratinization and cornification, in which these terms can be used interchangeably, is that it talks about how living cells, as they get pushed up through these epidermal layers, start to lose their living organelles. They start to die, dry out, harden, flatten, until eventually only keratin, distinguished by these little green marks, is left in the cell, forming a rigid outer layer protecting the body. And there you have it. Thanks for listening to these vocab words. Hopefully you learned something, and good luck on that test.